Hi folks, Chris Laidlaw here at McFadden Honda with some exciting news. We've been teasing it out the last few days, but we have something very special in our showroom that I'd like to show you. Care to take a guess as to what it was? It is the 2018 Ford Mustang GT Premium in beautiful Oxford white. Let's have a deeper look. All right, so we have a very rev-happy vehicle right here in our showroom. There it is. It's a 5-liter V8 dual overhead cam motor, 460 horsepower, 420 foot-pounds of torque, 7,000 RPM, naturally aspirated. As I said, very rev-happy. It is a 10-speed automatic, but that's okay because it also is equipped with paddle shifters on the steering wheel for quick transitions. So this GT Premium was actually a special order, which comes with a lot of doodads that you don't just get regular. So I want to start with the tires. So right here we have 19-inch tires, new tires I might add. Now if you take a look at those disc brakes, they're massive, the size of a pizza plate. In the pad back there, you can see it's a Brembo performance braking system on this vehicle. Now another thing that makes this one particularly special is the Magna Ride dampening system, which creates instantaneous responses to any bumps in the road for a much smoother ride. So another part of the special order on this GT Premium is my favorite part. Right here, we have Recaro bolstered seats in glorious red and black leather, perforated for your comfort. You will never feel more attached to this vehicle after you sit in one of these seats. All right, folks, now that we're at the back end of the vehicle, we can see that we have the GT stamping right here in addition to your backup camera up top. But my favorite part is what makes it a Mustang is that these 6 lights here are sequential as well. So every time you signal, you'll see boop, 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 boop. Very, very cool, very nice. And to top it all off, we have a quad exhaust in the back as well. Now, this may not have the same kind of space that you would expect in an SUV, but there's still ample trunk space in the back. And it's also where your subs are located too. So it's always good if you want to do custom work to them or something like that, you have free access to them. And just to top it off too, one small little thing that'll save you a few seconds of your life every so often is that we have a capless fuel system, folks. All right, now that we're riding in a performance vehicle, it has some performance features. Like for instance, you have your oil pressure PSI gauge right here. You have your vacuum gauge right here. And then I'll direct you this way, and digitally, you have even more performance gauges to shift through. I'll show you that as well. And now for the infotainment system, I'll direct your gaze to the forward screen here. With your audio options, you of course have Bluetooth, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, as well as Sirius XM radio capability. Right here is our climate control. So right here, I can actually turn on my heated steering wheel, can mess with our temperatures, dual climate control too. Back here, we have your phone. So when you want to connect your phone, you will be able to do so. And right here is our built-in navigation system on the Mustang. It's actually very, very clear, very concise, and not a lot of input lag either, which is fantastic. Right here is your desired apps that you can put onto your vehicle. And right here is your vehicle settings, so you can customize your ride to you. All right, enough squawking. I know what you've been waiting for. Let's hear what she sounds like. All right, folks, had a great time showing you the Ford Mustang 2018 GT Premium. So if you're interested in this at all, we're not putting it outside. We are keeping it here nice and warm and safe. So give me a call at 403-327-7250. Ask for Chris No H here at McFadden Honda, and I'd be glad to show it to you.